Are you looking for a delicious and refreshing way to beat the summer heat? Imagine a drink that's not only hydrating but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate summer cooler, watermelon juice. It's your perfect companion for those scorching hot days. To prepare watermelon juice, we need following ingredients: 1 watermelon, chilled, ½ teaspoon black salt, ½ teaspoon plain salt, a handful of mint leaves, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon sugar, optional, cold water, ice cubes. Now let's prepare the watermelon juice. Remove the rind from the watermelon and cut it into chunks. Blend the watermelon chunks with black salt, plain salt, mint leaves, lemon juice, and sugar. Add cold water and blend again until smooth. Strain the juice and serve it in a glass with ice cubes and finely chopped watermelon pieces. Sprinkle a little chaat masala on top for extra flavor. Let's see nutritional value and benefits of watermelon juice. Vitamins. Watermelon is high in vitamins A, B6, and C. Vitamin A supports eye health and immune function. Vitamin B6 helps in brain development and function. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and acts as an antioxidant. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives watermelon its red color. It helps reduce the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Hydration. Watermelon is about 92% water, making it an excellent source for staying hydrated. This watermelon juice is not only refreshing but also helps in staying hydrated, supports eye health, boosts your immune system, and provides essential nutrients to keep you energized.